Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by making sure your Microsoft account is active and 2FA is set if needed. This secures sync and access rights. Once signed in, install the official app and confirm the version in settings so you avoid compatibility issues. Next, grant required permissions, camera for meetings, mic for voice, storage for files, so features work immediately. After these steps, open the app and choose the primary workflow you need, because starting correctly prevents later interruptions. You now dive into the core workflow by creating or opening the item you need. Name it clearly so collaborators find it fast. Next, use the toolbar, insert content, enable collaboration, and run review tools, because each controls a major function. Make sure to save to OneDrive to enable real-time sync. Autosave prevents data loss. Also adjust notifications and sharing permissions so you control access and avoid surprises during collaboration, which keeps the process efficient. And you finish by exporting, archiving, or sharing a link to your work and verify recipients immediately so nothing leaks. Once done, close active sessions and clear cache if you notice slowdowns, because that resolves many glitches. If problems persist, update the app first, then restart your device, and finally check network status. These 3 steps fix most connectivity or sync faults. If none work, reopen settings to review permissions. Often a denied permission is the culprit.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.